Hello everyone, this is Wahid from Trateco. In this video we will learn how we can create a contact form in our WordPress website. So to do this we need a new plugin. So we go to the plugin and click on this add new button. Here we need to search for contact form. Here is contact form 7 plugin. Install it. After installing, activate it. After activating, go to the contact and click on this contact form. This will give you a pre-built contact form. You just need to copy this shortcode. After copying, go to the page and go to the edit of any page where you want to display that contact form. Here you need to click on this plus icon and search for shortcode. Click on it and paste the shortcode. After pasting, click on update. After updating, click on this view page to view your contact form. Here you can see this is our contact form, and if you want to display it on a page designed with Elementor, this is my page which is designed with Elementor and I want to display the form here. So I just need to click on this edit with Elementor. Scroll down. I want to display my contact form here, so I just need to search for shortcode. Here is the shortcode widget. Drag it and drop it where you want to display it. After that, paste your shortcode. Your contact form is here. After that, click on update and click on this icon and then click on view page. You can see here is your contact form which is displayed on a page which is designed with Elementor. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.